Are you ready to transform your SAP project success? This video explores how targeted user training can significantly enhance your SAP implementation. Discover the critical role of continuous training in ensuring project success. Many SAP projects fail due to inadequate training. Lack of ongoing support leads to poor management skills. Users often feel frustrated, resulting in lost time and errors. Effective training can prevent damage to productivity and profitability. Let's explore how training impacts project outcomes. Log into your account. Involving key users is crucial at every project stage. Early involvement helps identify functional gaps. Miscommunications can lead to costly rollbacks. Consistent feedback prevents failed go-lives. Let's delve into integrating user feedback effectively. An effective SAP project structure includes clear business objectives. Insufficient user involvement often causes failures. Poor change management leads to issues. Unrealistic timelines and data migration problems are common. Let's explore how to structure projects for success. Workshops facilitate better user engagement. They prevent costly rollbacks and failed go-lives. Users can share insights and raise concerns in real time. Collaboration leads to faster issue resolution. Let's see how workshops promote alignment on project goals. Workshops provide hands-on system experience. Real-time feedback helps refine features. Engaging users early ensures ownership over solutions. It mitigates fear of change and fosters smoother transitions. Let's explore how workshops enhance user satisfaction. User feedback helps detect gaps early. It validates design against real business needs. Rapid adjustments prevent costly fixes. Testing assumptions reduces post-go-live failures. Let's understand the importance of real-world scenario testing. Treat training as a core project stream. Continuous training prevents knowledge decay. It adapts to project changes and boosts user confidence. Early gap identification increases efficiency. Let's see how continuous training ensures long-term success. Integrate training from blueprint to post-go-live. Ensure all users, not just key ones, are trained. Gather continuous feedback for improvement. Conduct in-person workshops regularly. Let's explore the holistic integration of training and projects. User-friendly interfaces are essential. Full customer support enhances training effectiveness. Micro-learning sessions offer dynamic learning. Onboarding should be quick and efficient. Let's recap the key takeaways for SAP project success. Targeted training boosts employee confidence. It saves valuable time previously spent on training others. Increased efficiency leads to better project outcomes. Let's understand the real-world impact of effective SAP training. Discover how it transforms organizational success. Through targeted user training, SAP projects can achieve greater success. Integrating training at every stage ensures alignment and efficiency. Now you know how to maximize your SAP project's potential through continuous and effective training.